Hi, my name's Anthony Parkinson from Ansell Lighting, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Tornado Pro. It has a slim design, a lightweight construction with an IP65 rating, which means it's ideal for installation into warehouses, storage facilities and outbuildings, just to name a few. The unique base design caters for multiple installation methods, including rear, side and end entry, as well as pre-drill points to aid accurate and fast installation at all of these entry points. The Tornado Pro has a quick release LED array and gear tray assembly, which provides the installer the means to faster installation and maintenance. The plug and play connector provides a fast link from the gear tray to the base. To install the base onto the intended surface, you need to connect the incoming cables into the push-fit terminations, plug together the male and female connector, which is attached to the LED array and gear tray assembly, clip into position and then locate the stainless steel clips into the diffuser. The fast latching permanently located stainless steel side clips, which are fixed in position so you don't misplace them during installation, ensure a quick and secure connection, fully lockable without the need for screws. The Tornado Pro has single and twin options, which are available in 4, 5, 6 foot. All of these come complete with European branded LED drivers as standard. The emergency version comes as standard self-test with lithium-ion battery technology. This reduces charge time and also running costs.